नमस्कार दोस्तों, आई एम हिमांशु रावत एंड टुडे वी आर एट भोपाल लिटरेचर फेस्ट ऑर्गेनाइज इन भोपाल एंड यहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे दिग्गज लोग आए हुए हैं। आज हमारे साथ हैं बिजू जी, उनसे हम कुछ बातचीत करेंगे और जानेंगे उनके बारे में। तो आइए चलते हैं। बिजू जी, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है हमारे शो बातचीत में। तो हम आपसे कुछ बात करना चाहते हैं, कुछ आपके बारे में पूछना चाहते हैं। सो कैन यू टेल अस अबाउट योर बैकग्राउंड?
Yeah, I'm basically a journalist. I have written a book called Flood and Fury, which is basically about the Western Ghats. Now, the Western Ghats is an ecosystem as old as Himalayas. I mean, it is almost 120 million years old. It passes through 6 states of this country. It starts from Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Goa, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. And it's so rich. It has rich biodiversity. You must have heard of Amazon forest. I mean, it's as rich as the Amazon forest. Sadly, there is not much about Western Ghats in our school curriculum. I mean, all of you are youngsters. You should learn about Western Ghats because
Mostly we learn about the Himalayas.
That's true. So, because it's the last green lungs available in the country. I mean, 1/4 of the population of this country would die of thirst and starvation if you don't have Western Ghats. Because all your big cities, Mumbai, Panjim, Bangalore, Chennai, Kochi, all your big cities get water from the 58 rivers that flows down from the Western Ghats. Now, as you know, in Kerala there was a huge floods. In 2018 we suffered. Kerala used to be known as a God's own country, as Madhuji was saying. But suddenly in 2018 we realized that it's not the God's own country. There is something seriously wrong happening. There is a serious ecological crisis happening.
And this is all about हमारी वजह से ये
in the Western Ghats. Yeah, it's all. I won't say it's
There are
all.
dirty activities.
All हमारी वजह से I can't say. I would say partly is majority would be man-made, and there is also the reason, the fact that the climate change impact is
global
hitting-
warming and
global
greenhouse
warming.
effect.
But again, global warming. Why is global warming happening?
Politics.
It's because of human interference, isn't it? So it's ultimately it's a cycle.
जी.
So as part of writing this book, the book's name is Flood and Fury. I travel from one end of Western Ghats to the other end, and my fundamental premise of the book is that the floods and landslides which occurred in the Western Ghats is because of human interference, human manipulation of nature, be it reclamation of rivers, be it reclamation of wetlands, be it quarrying and mining. Yeah.
जी. Can you tell us about your journey from a school student, normal student, to become at this position?
I was as bad and I was as average as all of you here, but I would say I was interested in writing as I grew up. I started reading a lot. I was interested in writing fiction, to be very frank. I mean, as I grew up, I used. But the writing this book has nothing to do with my creative sensibilities of what I wanted to write. This was some kind of natural instinct. Because being a journalist, I have been writing about green issues in Western Ghats. So when this happened, I had to write. I mean, I felt that some kind of impersonal some kind of force made me to write. That's what I feel. So
What are your hobbies?
my hobbies are reading and reading.
Reading and reading.
Yeah,
Okay.
I do a bit of running, and I run probably 10 to 12 kilometers every day. I mean,
Because to write something we have to be fit.
That's true,
मतलब
that's
हमको
true.
fit होना चाहिए,
Yeah,
mentally as well as you do meditation.
I do a little bit of yoga, but I prefer running. I run around 10 to 15 kilometers. But my advice to all the younger generation, young people around here, is to sort of visit Western Ghats. Visit
And know more
Kerala.
about
Only so see. I've come to Bhopal, and Madhuji was talking about the talavs over here. It's such an illuminating experience for me. So all of you should come and visit Western Ghats. All of you should go to Munnar, to Wayanad, and there should be a community of. I would say there should be a community of students who should form a big group in India and sort of be the vanguards of ecological conservation. And we'll all be, me, Madhu, all of us will be behind. But you are the guys, you are the future. Because if there is no Western Ghats, if there is no Himalayas, there won't be life in our country. So it's that serious. Yeah.
सर आप कुछ बेस्ट विशेस देना चाहेंगे बच्चों को?
best wishes. Best wishes. I think the fact that you are so interested in environment looks like your channel will grow, will go places. Yeah, all the best wishes.
थैंक यू सर। तो आज हमारे साथ थे विजू जी, जिनसे हमने काफ़ी कुछ बातचीत की, उनके बारे में जाना, वो किस चीज़ पर लिखते हैं, वो जर्नलिस्ट थे, किस तरह से वो अपने आप को लिखने के लिए मेडिटेशन, रेसिंग, रनिंग सब कुछ करते हैं अपनी बॉडी को मेंटेन करने के लिए, ताकि वो उस स्किल्स को काफ़ी इन्हेंस कर सकें। तो इसी तरह हम बाकी लोगों से भी बात करते रहेंगे और आप तक ये बातचीत पहुंचाते रहेंगे। धन्यवाद, मिलते हैं अगले कार्यक्रम में।